Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging. Came in this interesting bag. Saw it online and I was like, oh, I don't know what I think about that, but it's kind of growing on me. It's plaid, yellow inside. And these did come with it, but they couldn't fit in the bag. So I got two face masks. One is a Restore sheet mask that's soothing and softening, and the other one is a watery sheet mask, which is moisturizing and refining. It has kale, parsley, and chlorophyll in it, so pretty interesting. But got two of those. And then inside we have our card with our products. So I'll set that aside for a moment and just dig in. Got an eyeshadow, Lower East Side. Pretty cool packaging. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. There's no mirror inside, but those are nice neutral shades. I would definitely use that. Very pretty. Then we have an eyeliner. Gel pencil eyeliner. It says it's a navy too. Looks very dark, but oh yeah, okay. It does have a navy hue to it. That's pretty. Then we have Perfect Shine. This is a clarifying scalp scrub. And I think I did pick this item, I want to say. I did get to select one of them. I think it was this because I've had this before and it's pretty nice. And the last item, H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. Very nice. So looking at the card, got the scalp scrub, the cleanser, gel pencil, eyeshadow, and the sheet mask. Pretty good bag this month. If you guys are interested, I'll put my link below in case you want to join. If you want to see past unbaggings, I also have a playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.